ko, ikaw ang kasama sa bawat luha ko. Yakap mo'y sapat na. You gave your everything, kahit ikaw ay napapago. Still you smile for me and taught me to be strong. Siyam kaming anak na iyong inalagaan. Buong buhay mo'y sa amin inialay lamang. And even our children too you cared for with all your heart. Walang katulad ang pagmamahal mo, right from the very start. At kahit minsan ako'y nagkulang, hindi mo ako iniwan. Your love never changed through the joy and pain. Nanay, ikaw ang ilaw ng tahanan, my strength when I can't carry on. Sa bawat dasal ko, ikaw ang laman. You're my forever home, kahit saan man ako dalhin ng panahon. Your love will guide me all along. Mahal na mahal kita, nanay ko. And I thank the Lord for you. Ngayong ikaw ay tumatanda na, at hindi na masyadong malakas. Please get well soon, nanay. We are all here for you. Sa lahat ng sakripisyong ginawa mo, panahon naman naming alagaan ka.
From your children, with all our love. Terry, Bebeng, Bernard, Lenlen, Papu, Mali, Pati,
Marianne and Mercy. We love you, Nani, Nanay, Nanay. Nanay, ikaw ang ilaw ng buhay ko, the reason why I still hold on. Sa puso ko'y walang ibang papalit sa'yo. You are my sweetest song, and even when the world feels cold tonight, your prayers keep me warm inside. Mahal na mahal kita, nanay ko. Forever we'll stay by your side. May the Lord watch over you
and heal your heart completely too.
Happy Mother's Day, Nanay. We love you.